Hi guys, welcome to Becky's Cook World. Today I am going to bake. So I'm making a banana bread or cake, and this is the simplest way I know how. So if you are watching this video, just know this cake iliweza, sitakudanganya. So on to the ingredients. So for the ingredients, I'm using 3 ripe bananas, brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla essence, milk. I'll use about 3 eggs, self-raising flour because I do not like baking with all-purpose flour. I always have a problem with trying to measure the baking soda or hizo vitu zingine zenye wanatumianga. And definitely my mixer and 2 bowls. I'm also going to use canola oil. So if you want to know why I'm using canola oil, I think in my previous video I said why I like using canola oil. So first things first, take your bananas and put them in one bowl and mash. You can actually blend, but with banana cakes I love chewing or biting into banana lumps in my cake or bread. So mash them like that. So you actually don't need a mixer when it comes to mashing it. So that should do the trick. Like that. Basically, I want to mix the liquids first, then the dry ingredients later. So this is how I do mine. My eggs a bit, then I'll go in with some milk. So basically I'll do half a cup of milk. And then I mix that pretty well, and I'll put this aside. So you go back to the mashed bananas. So in the mashed bananas, I go in with my canola oil. I'll use half a cup. That's a third. This is quarter. So with this you can, actually quarter is enough, Quarter is enough. Quarter cup of canola oil. You put that aside and mix that like that. Then next I go in with my sugar, my brown sugar. So because banana already has some natural sugar, I'll use 2.5 tablespoonfuls of brown sugar. And then some cinnamon. about 2 teaspoonfuls of cinnamon, and then you mix that all in like that. And then next we go in with our vanilla essence. So I have some leftover oil over there. So with vanilla essence I am using about a tablespoon. Yeah, a tablespoon. Tablespoonful of vanilla essence, and you put that aside. So as you're mixing this, remember to set your oven. I will put the temperature ranges in the comment section, in the description box down below. So next I go in with a little of that. So next you go in with you put your flour a little by little. I'll start with 1 cup and go in with the second one. Just level it. I level with my hands, you know. There you go. And then you put that aside and you start stirring or mixing in your flour into the mixture. I have mixed the first set, so I've just poured in the rest of the egg and milk mixture. So that is all mixed up. So you let it settle for a few minutes, or you can pour it in your tin and let it settle inside your tin as your oven heats up. So I'm using my bread tin. I'm using our non-stick spray blah 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 blah. I bought this from Carrefour. Was it Carrefour? Carrefour. So next I go in with my mix. So there you go. So I let it settle. I've just noticed that my mixture is kidogo, small, little. So I've just placed that in the oven. So and here we have it, our banana bread. How beautiful is that? It's ready for munching. So you're having this as a dessert. And tomorrow's breakfast is already sorted. So thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell down below. And please try out my recipes. So until next time, bye.